Today, I am reviewing the Emeril Lagasse Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Starting with its standout feature, the 26-quart extra-large capacity gives you plenty of space to cook meals for 4 to 6 people. That means you can easily roast a whole 6-pound chicken or bake a 12-inch pizza with room to spare. This size is perfect for families, gatherings, or anyone who loves batch cooking and entertaining. The generous capacity sets it apart from many other air fryer toaster ovens on the market, which tend to be smaller and less flexible. The French door design is another highlight. It opens smoothly with a single pull, making it easy to check on your food without disturbing the cooking process. Plus, the interior light helps you monitor your dishes as they cook, so you always get the perfect result. The sleek stainless steel exterior isn't just durable. It adds a modern, elegant touch to your kitchen countertop that looks great even when it's on display. What truly makes this appliance versatile is its impressive 24 cooking functions. From air frying and roasting to baking, toasting, slow cooking, reheating, and even defrosting, this machine covers virtually every cooking method you'll need. There are preset options specifically for ribs, chicken, pizza, pastries, and more, so you can rely on expert-guided settings without guesswork. Whether you want crispy fries, perfectly toasted bread, or a slow-cooked stew, the Emeril Lagasse combo handles it all with ease. Speaking of toast, this oven features a thoughtful automatic shutoff function during toasting. Once your toast countdown timer ends, the oven turns off automatically to prevent burning. You'll notice the indicator light changes from red to blue when your toast is done, providing a clear signal to take your food out. Plus, there's a specific rack position for ideal toasting results every time, perfect for your morning routine. The dual-speed fan system circulates 360 degrees of superheated air, delivering golden, crispy results that mimic deep frying, but with far less oil. This air circulation technology ensures that your food cooks evenly, with that desirable crunch on the outside and tender inside. It's a healthier way to enjoy your favorite fried foods without sacrificing taste or texture. Controls are all digital and user-friendly, making it easy to select your preferred cooking mode, adjust temperatures, and set timers. The interface is intuitive, and the many presets mean you don't need to be a professional chef to get great results. It's an appliance that's designed to make cooking easier, faster, and more enjoyable. Cleaning is also straightforward. The stainless steel exterior resists fingerprints and smudges, and the interior is easy to wipe down after use. The included accessories, 7 in total, cover a wide range of cooking needs, from baking trays to air fryer baskets, making it easy to cook a variety of dishes right out of the box. In summary, the Emeril Lagasse Extra Large French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo is a versatile, powerful, and stylish kitchen companion. Its large capacity, extensive cooking functions, and smart features make it ideal for families, entertainers, or anyone wanting a healthier way to cook delicious meals with less hassle. If you're ready to upgrade your countertop cooking game with an all-in-one appliance that looks great and performs even better, this Emeril Lagasse model is definitely worth considering.